Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check Wi-Fi and mobile data usage on your Samsung Galaxy A27. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the settings. Now we're gonna go to connections, and once we are in the connections, what we can do is we have data usage right here. Now the data usage is our mobile data usage, and here we have the mobile data usage. As you guys can see, we got the SIM2 and etc. But right at the bottom here, we get the Wi-Fi data usage. So it's all at one setting, let's say one option. But the value at the top here is from our SIM card. Now at the bottom, we got the Wi-Fi data usage. And now it's loading. As you guys can see, we will be able to see where it all went. So we get secured folder, Galaxy Store, Google Play Store, Photos, Meta App Manager, and of course we also have everything that use the internet. So for example, Samsung Pay Framework used 340 bytes. It is nothing. And it's still here because it is a really accurate tracker. We can also do the same for mobile data usage. We can see that it's mostly Android OS, Instagram, some of it is WhatsApp, and of course Meta services. So that's how you guys can check your Wi-Fi and mobile data usage. You can basically see how much you've used in a month, and you can also see it right here. You can change the months and etc. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.